Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to review the for loops in Python in 1 minute. So in order to print numbers from 0 to 4, we can simply use the print function and type it down, for example, several times. So print, for example, print 0, and then print 1, print 2, 3, 4, and finally 4. So we can do this repetitive task in different lines. However, there is another way that is much easier, because if we want to print thousands of numbers, it's hard to do it manually. So this is where we need to have the for loops. We write down the keyword for, which is designed for loop, and I is our iterating variable. So for I, for each I in the range 5, we are going to print the number. So when we say number 5, we are going to start from 0 and we are going to continue up until 4 included, and 5 is not included. And in each iteration, we are going to print the value of I. So we see that here the numbers are being printed. Thanks for watching.